Hi guys, good morning. 27th of May. Just got gold here to kick us off. Has broken the trend line on the daily chart. Already hit where you would say the first target key area support from those 11th and 12th of May. Then you just be looking at the next points really of the trend line, 7th, 1st of May and the 21st of April as next areas where we could see some support come in, or people that are short on the break of this trend to be targeting. So we have been drifting lower, and yeah, you can see in that break really happening yesterday. Let's just get the pivots on that. Yesterday evening into that overnight push, we came back to sort of retest that trend line yesterday afternoon, but we haven't had one on the daily, so just keep a watch out for that. It could well be that takes a while to materialize, but when it does, you're also looking at some of the previous lows from the 21st or the 25th, so that's a key point to the upside, around about there, 17.15 give or take. But yeah, hit the key support level for now. Also found resistance on yesterday's high, which is also the 1700 handle. So some key levels there for gold. S&P, we had the 200-day moving average closed below it last night, and we've had some positive comments out this morning, but you would say where we finished last night, you'd be expecting a bit of a pullback. It happened maybe in that sort of early trade that we did drift down. You can see really here from the open late last night, we did drift lower, only to then continue this move up, and we're on the next level, give or take. The high that we had on the 6th of March, 30.50, another key point before 3100 comes in. You've got to be bullish when things are going like this. Nasdaq, you can see perhaps lagging behind a bit, a big rejection lower yesterday, however it is just drifting higher. So the S&P, we broke our range, we broke the 200-day moving average. I still think we can come back to test this at some point. It might just be that going along some sort of plan, and here you try and predict things weeks ahead. It's not always going to be a guarantee, but a push up here, and looking for that retest lower, a bit of hesitation around here perhaps before we then push on is how I see the next weeks panning out. But at the moment, you've got to be bullish as long as we stay above the top end of this little range that we've been in, and also the 200-day moving average. Euro, some positive murmurs out the Euros pushed us to the top end of our range here. Also the 200-day moving average coming into play, very key where we closed the day, and it just goes back to a few days ago how we can't close below these levels. So the daily closes are massively important, and obviously going back to last Monday where people were saying we've got to go lower, we don't break that trend line. So Euro looking good around those here where people long would be taking profit. Very key level where we close the day will be interesting for the next move. Pound pushed through, came back to retest that level, that area we like. Was it around sort of 122.60, 122? It was around this sort of point, wasn't it? You can see, look at that lovely classic, and it's already pushed on quite significantly. So we got that breakthrough last night. We came back to test it not long ago, hit it to the tick, and it's pushed on. It's a fantastic trade. So again, daily close will be key. We continue to have risk on, then I think the pound can drift back towards 126. Obviously not today, but over the coming for sure. I can see that happening as long as we continue to have risk on. Anyway guys, hope you have a good rest of your trading day, and I look forward to catching up with you all tomorrow.